If you want to connect a SoundPeats Air 4 Pro with two devices at the same time, then for sure you can do this, but first of all, you will have to connect them with your first device. So when you are connected with your first device, then you will have to go into the Bluetooth settings and turn off the Bluetooth. Then you will have to repeat the pairing process. So you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case. Click and hold this button. And now you will have to just wait until this indicator starts blinking. Of course, you will have to keep that case open. And on this second device, you will have to go for settings, go for the connected devices, and go for the Bluetooth. Okay, I was previously connected with this device, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Now click to pair new device and select SoundPeats Air 4 Pro. Now accept the pairing. There we go. We are connected or not. Let's try again. Okay, this is like, this pairing issue that sometimes appears, but right now we are connected. And now all you have to do is just to turn on the Bluetooth back on this second device. And as you can see right now, we are simply connected on the two devices at the same time. Take a look. There we go. And that's how we can do this. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.